At the starting of this section, I have told that we are going to incorporate authorization framework inside EazyBank application by using KeyCloak authorization server. So now in this lecture, let's try to understand what is KeyCloak product, how it is going to help us in implementing authorization framework. As you can see, this is the website of KeyCloak, which is keycloak.org. And as I said, it is an open source identity and access management product. Using this, we can easily add authentication and authorization to our web applications with the minimum efforts. If you observe the various features and advantages provided by KeyCloak product is, firstly, it will help you in implementing standard protocols like OpenID Connect, OR2 and SAML 2.0, followed by it provides features like single sign-on, centralized user management like admins and users. If you need, we can integrate this KeyCloak auth server with LDAP and Active Directories for logins and authentication and authorization. We can integrate with social login like Facebook, GitHub, Gmail, and we can enforce some password policies onto the user, like your password should be length of so and so, and it should contain minimum one capital letter, minimum one number, minimum one special character. So all those kind of password policy enforcement also we can do with KeyCloak authorization server. And again, though it is open source, it provides many features. Due to that, many projects are already using this product inside production, and it can handle any kind of performance with the help of clustering. Similar to KeyCloak, we also have good amount of other identity and access management products like Okta. Okta is one of the industry leading identity and access management product, followed by we also have another commercial product like ForgeRock, and even Amazon also provides its own identity and access management, which is Amazon Cognito. Similarly, Azure provides Active Directory. I see many of the folks adopt either Okta or ForgeRock because they are focused entirely on identity and access management solutions. But for our discussion, KeyCloak is more than enough, and since it is open source, for you also to explore, it is very easy. That's why I choose KeyCloak identity and access management product. So by this time, you might have realized why we are choosing these identity and access management products like Okta, KeyCloak, ForgeRock or Amazon Cognito. The reason is they will give entire control to you. You as an admin, go ahead and create users, roles, scopes for them. You enforce password policies, whatnot. You can control everything as per your business requirements. Whereas with the auth servers that we have from the social logins like Facebook, Google, Twitter, GitHub, you can only use them for simple web applications like a single page applications, or if I have a blog where I want only logged in users who has a valid email can like my blog or can put some comments inside my blog. So in such scenarios, we can use those simple freely available auth servers. But if you have a complex requirements like you want to have a control of creating the users, deleting them, assigning roles to them based upon your business requirements, then definitely we have to go for the dedicated identity and access management products like KeyCloak. So now we have a fair understanding on what is KeyCloak. So let's try to set up KeyCloak server inside our local. For the same, I have to go to the download section. Once I am into the download section, I can download KeyCloak server directly in the zip format. Similarly, we have other ways also, like I can download a Docker container image. I can deploy them as a pod or Docker container. But in the interest of the folks who doesn't know Docker and Kubernetes, OpenShift, I'm going to download the KeyCloak server directly in the zip format, and it will download in couple of minutes. And I also want to highlight about KeyCloak has a support from the Red Hat. It is the team which is behind maintaining this KeyCloak server. That's why don't worry that this is an open source product. This can't have many features. because this is being backed by a very strong company and team, which is Red Hat. So now my download is completed. Let's try to set up KeyCloak server in the next lecture. Thank you. Bye.